Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make public profile on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you want to make a public profile, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Snapchat app. Now to make a public profile, you must have to send anything as your public story or on Spotlight. Now to do that, you have to tap on your profile option in the top left corner. Scroll down and you'll find the option of add to my story or public. Select that. And here you must have to select snaps, then tap on this camera option here, take a photo or a video, and then select this option, my story public. Then tap on share, and once you have done, your profile is successfully made public. Once you have to send it to anything to my story as public, you will get a public profile. Now to check that, just tap on your settings icon in the top right corner, then scroll down and you will get the option of public profile setting. Tap on that, and here you'll get all of the settings for your public profile. If you want to clear or delete your public profile, you can easily trade that from here. So in this way, you can easily make a public profile on your Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.